So what is going on, guys? Welcome to the YouTube channel. If we have not yet met, my name is Peter Roberts. Now in today's video, I'm excited. I am so stoked to share with you guys how you can start growing fast the right way on TikTok in 2021. Now in this video, I'm going to include my journey on how I gained over 50,000 followers in 1 month on my personal TikTok account. And also, guys, just break down what you need to do to start growing organically on TikTok and how to get your TikTok to start popping off. But if you guys don't know any of my content, if you're just tuning in, my TikTok is all around finance, business, side hustles, nothing sexy. And as you can see right here, we're sitting a little under 260,000 subscribers on my personal TikTok account. We're at 259.4K on my TikTok account, and we're getting around 200 to 800 to even 1,000 followers every day with the strategy that I'm going to share with you guys on how to grow, how to start building your personal TikTok account. So don't go anywhere. Let's start jumping into my story as well as what you can do to start getting growth on your TikTok. So guys, if you tuned in and you have not yet smashed this thumbs up button yet, I would be a little upset. And also make sure you smash that subscription button. It truly goes a long way. So growing on TikTok has always been a huge goal of mine. There's a lot of people out there that are getting clout, whatever your purpose is. A lot of people are just absolutely crushing it on TikTok. And I've seen to be able to kind of hack or understand the algorithm on how you can start growing fast on TikTok. Now, the first point I want to share with you guys is the content doesn't really matter. What you want to do is share what you love, share your mission, and find a way to just capture an audience around the things that you really enjoy talking about, as well as your passions and hobby in life. Don't just go out there and start following these trends. When I was first starting my TikTok journey, people told me, if you want to really blow up on TikTok, you have to be doing the things that other creators are doing. You have to do things that Charlie, all these really successful dance TikTokers are doing if you really want to go out there and start building a TikTok account. But what I want to say is this is all BS, and I'm so glad that I didn't listen to my friends who had no followers on TikTok, and I listened to my heart and my head and built an audience around the things that I loved on TikTok. Now, the second point I want to touch up is that everyone starts out with 0 followers. Now, in my analytics, which I'll kind of just touch up here, as you can see, I started my TikTok journey around a year ago. And the truth is, I wasn't getting any traction for this first 6 months. Now, this might be a hard reality for you, but you have to post, you have to find your niche, you have to find exactly what you want to talk about, and eventually you're going to start gaining traction. But finally, after those 6 months, I started seeing results, I started building an audience, and now I want to share what I did to go from, 2,000 subscribers to 50,000 subscribers in less than 1 month, and then from 50,000 subscribers to over 150,000 subscribers in less than 2 months as well. I've been absolutely crushing, growing, and using this momentum to continue to skyrocket my personal TikTok account. So the first point I want to talk to you guys about is how you can start growing fast in 2021 the real way on TikTok is point number 1. You have to be posting as much as possible. Now, the truth is you want to begin posting at least 3 to 4 times every day. Yes, every day. If you want to grow, get traction, you have to be putting content out there as much as possible. Now, at first, I was posting 1 to 2 videos. I saw all these popular TikTokers were just posting 1 video a day. I figured, hey, if they can do it, I can do it too. But the truth is, what really skyrocketed, what really allowed me to get a lot of growth and me to get over 50,000 subscribers in 1 month was posting 3 to 4 videos every day. Because the great thing about these videos is that you're going to start seeing what works and what doesn't. Now, what works is the things that you want to continue to post about. What doesn't, you might have to come back and not talk about that stuff anymore. But the truth is, use your post, your feedback that you get from these videos as a way to see what the audience likes, see what works, see what doesn't, and continue to build your content, your niche around the platform or the content that continues to thrive and crush on your TikTok account. Now, for me, at first, I was doing everything dancing, talking about my life, vlogging, talking about finance, and finally, I found a few videos that blew up, and I built my whole channel around that and continue to push around the things that I love to talk about on my TikTok account. Because what you'll see after posting 3, 4 videos every day, there will be that one video that randomly hits, that randomly blows up, that will give you the confidence to continue to keep growing. You are just one video away from changing your whole TikTok account, your whole TikTok following, and more importantly, one video from changing away your influence on TikTok. So go out there, continue to have faith in yourself. Just know that you're one video away from really getting growth and creating real traction on your TikTok account. Now, the second big tip that really skyrocketed, it allowed me to get 50,000 subscribers in 1 month, was to do this. Now, it's not called copying. A lot of other YouTube videos don't talk about this, so I figured, hey, you need to hear this, is to go out there and start brainstorming ideas from other content creators, whether if it's going on Instagram Reels, whether if it's going on TikTok itself, or if it's going ahead and monitoring other creators that you really look up to, creators that you really want to be like, creators that are trying to resemble your personal page. It is important to go out there and get these ideas from other creators that are absolutely crushing it in this journey. Now, when you're first starting out, you have to find a way to break through the niche that you're trying to get into. Now, one thing that I did to kind of hack this whole system was look at 4 to 5 creators that I really wanted to be like and say, hey, if they got 250,000 subscribers, I can do this too. I have to create my own spin. I have to create my own niche around what my own content is. But they gave me so many ideas. Now, the beauty is on Instagram, there's a lot of things that you can look at that give you a lot of ideas. But what you want to do is find 3 to 5 creators that you really love, that you really want to be like. So let's say you found a creator that has a video that is absolutely smashing, it is blowing up. You just want to take the principle, the core value of this video that is blowing up, the whole theme, and bring it into your own context and post it on your own account. Let's say someone posted an Amazon hack that is absolutely blowing up. Well, what you want to do is take not that exact Amazon hack, but bring an Amazon hack into your personal account, another Amazon hack, and post it out. Now, what I want to stress is that you're not actually copying the creator, but you're using their IP, what they just created, their ideas, their thoughts in this video, and translating it and bring it into your world. Because if you see that something works, try to resemble it on your own page, and you're going to see yourself start blowing up and gaining real traction on your personal TikTok account. Now, the third tip that I want to share with you guys that allow you to get growth on your TikTok is to help develop your niche on this platform, and just literally share everything when you're first getting started. For me, I went from 8,000 followers to 40,000 followers, and I made this huge jump to 100,000 followers because I was doing this one thing. I was sharing everything on my personal TikTok, whether it was a random video of myself, whether it was a side hustle hack, whether it was just anything. I was posting as much as I can, and I was not overthinking my content. One of the greatest things that you can do is, have a video blow up, have some type of traction. You see a video is going nuts, and then everyone gets shell shocked. What should I post next? What should I do? But the truth is, you just got to keep doing what got you there. And what I want to share with you guys is that what really allowed me to get this massive growth, allowed me to really build a strong audience and get my first 50,000 followers in a matter of a month on TikTok, was going out there and reading the comments from the videos that I was posting. Every video that I was posting was giving me some type of feedback. How many of you are responding to the comments on your videos? Secondly, are you reading the comments? Let's say you post a video, 1,000 people see it, 5 of them comment, say, hey, I love this, or you should try this. Your audience that you're building on this platform is giving you real life analytics. They're telling you exactly what they want to see from you, which is going to help you build your niche, help you build your audience on TikTok. So go out there, post as much as you can, see what type of feedback they're giving you, and then create the videos that the customers, that your audience wants to see from you. And you're going to start building your niche, discovering which type of content you love to see and what type of content they want to see. Because the most important thing for you to start growing, getting followers on TikTok in 2021, is to realize that you're creating content for them. And so many people are creating content for themselves. They're trying to get, fulfilled by their egos. They're trying to feel like they got this clout. But the truth is, you have to provide valuable content, understand your niche, and more importantly, share what your audience wants to see, and you're organically going to start building fast on TikTok. And the last tip that's going to help you grow, get your first 50,000 subscribers in 1 month on TikTok, comes down to this one theme, and that is called consistency. How consistent are you? Now, the truth is, one viral TikTok is probably not going to land you 50,000 subscribers overnight. But if you really want to grow, build traction on this account, build this social media brand for yourself, you have to stay consistent. Consistent in everything. Consistent when it's time to show up to create new videos, 3 to 4 videos every day. Consistent when your audience is reaching out to you on other platforms. Consistent when it's going live on TikTok every night. Consistently building, consistently bringing value is going to be the answer, is going to be the reason how you're going to start building a following on TikTok. And I know you might be thinking, it would be so nice to post a few videos, start growing fast on TikTok, have this clout, go to school, all your friends are hyping you up. But what you want to do is actually put in the work. It takes some type of work. It takes consistently showing up, consistently being there for your audience, and you're finally going to start getting results that you've been dreaming about, the results they've been waiting on, and more importantly, start growing extremely fast on TikTok. When your audience sees you doing this every day, when you see your videos landing up on the For You page, when you're giving yourself a chance to go viral, when you're setting yourself out there, not being afraid of posting content, not being worried about what your friends are going to criticize or tell you about your videos on TikTok, this is the biggest limiting factor that's going to hold you back from growing on TikTok, because you're scared of other people's outside judgment, other people's opinions. And guess what? This is all going to hold you back from growing fast on TikTok in 2021. So what I want to leave you guys with lastly is just to continue to share your life. Continue to post what you love. Don't worry about where you are right now. It all takes progress. It all takes work. And more importantly, it will take some time. But if you implement some of these tips that I shared with you guys, you're going to see incredible traction. You're going to see incredible growth. And you're going to see yourself really landing 50,000 subscribers. You're going to see yourself changing your trajectory of your personal brand or what you're trying to share on your TikTok in 2021. And lastly, you might be thinking, is it too late to start building a brand on TikTok? It's already been out for almost 2 years. People have established followings. Can I start hacking, or can I start actually building a following on this account? And what I want to share with you guys is that anyone can tune on, get the app, and start crushing on TikTok. It doesn't matter what time it is. It doesn't matter where you guys have started from. It doesn't matter what your current journey is, or that you're starting out with 0 followers. We all start with 0 followers. Provide as much value as you can. Learn from your audience. Get a niche. Establish value in your content, and do these little hacks every day consistently, going out there, reaching out, building this brand. And guess what? Anyone can start growing and getting followers fast and building a personal brand on TikTok in 2021. So guys, if you've made it this far and you have not yet subscribed, like this video, all that good stuff, we have a lot more content around social media, building online, as well as entrepreneurship, side hustles, and all this stuff is coming into one. And I'm so grateful for what we're doing, what we're building. I love you guys so much. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Take care. Use these tips. Let me know in the comment section below if this helped, as well as hit me up if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Love you guys again. Peace out.